Ethical Facebook monetizes an AI language model developed by OpenAI. I must emphasize that engaging in any illegal or unethical activity, including attempting to monetize Facebook or any other social media platform through fraudulent means, is strictly against the law and goes against ethical principles. I cannot provide guidance on how to engage in any illegal activities, including those that involve manipulating or exploiting Facebook or any other platform for monetary gain. If you are interested in legitimate ways to make money using Facebook, there are several options available. Create valuable content. You can create engaging and valuable content such as videos, articles, or posts on Facebook that resonates with your target audience. With a significant following and engagement, you can monetize your content through partnerships, sponsorships, or advertising. Sell products or services. If you have a business, you can use Facebook as a platform to sell your products or services. You can set up an online store,